Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician, and today we're going to be going into a new product from Klein Tools. They sent over the new slim profile magnetic mini ratchet. This is a bit ratchet, and they have a previous version of this, which I believe will still be available. It's just slightly different as far as its features. And so we're going to go over the features, specs of this, as well as the pricing. If I forget to mention anything, or if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer it for you guys. But we're looking at the 65200 mag. There's the part number. The slim profile magnetic mini ratchet. Here you can see everything that's included with it. There you can see it is magnetic. On the back, you can actually see, if you want to pause and read that, you can, but it is a 90-tooth design, where the previous version or the other version of it is a 72-tooth mechanism. And the other one does include bits, but it is on like a small little plastic bit organizer in a straight line. Whereas this one, they've decided to go ahead and kind of integrate it onto the tool. It is still removable, which is really cool, but I do like what they did here. Now, when I first got it, I thought this was going to be kind of annoying, but you can definitely still use this with the bits on there, but it is really easy to remove just by sliding it up, turning it to the side, and it comes right off. So if you don't like the bits there, you can remove them, and super easy to put back on the tool. And it holds all 4 bits right there. You have a square slotted Phillips and your 1/4 inch socket adapter. Now, where this differs from the other one actually had a dual phasing head, where this one is closed off because of the different magnet system that they use in here. I believe the other version also has magnetism, but it doesn't pass it through the bit, where this one actually magnetizes the bit. So whatever fastener you're working with will be magnetized. So that is really nice. I know a lot of people that really get some use out of that. Looking at the back side, you can see they have the kind of the magnetic symbol there. And you got your teeth around the edge of this, so you do kind of have your finger drive here, which is really nice for working in those tight areas. There you can see the bit side. The magnet is straight on that back side. That is why it's closed off here. Then you got this finger hole here, so whether you're working back here with this, or you're using this with a carabiner, maybe clip it on a bag or anything like that. Really cool little design here. Still really slim as well. It's actually a little bit more slim than the other design because it doesn't have the dual function head. And I actually really like this bit storage. The bits included are actually 3/4 inch bits compared to your standard 1 inch bits. So you do get kind of stubbier bits here, so if you're working in really tight areas, I think that's really cool. They kind of got an opening here on the side that you can slip your finger in to remove the bits from the organizer. And then nice strong magnet as well. Here you can see it holds the fastener really well. This is just a little drywall screw. Very secure. So if you're one that works in areas where you don't want to worry about holding the screw onto the bit driver, maybe you're working in a tight area, you can rely on that magnet a little bit more to hold the fastener, which is really nice. But there you can kind of see the depth of it with a standard 1 inch bit compared to the bits that are included. They are nice and stubby, so you can get in nice recessed areas. You do have your reverse switch here, and I like that 90-tooth mechanism. It feels really good as well. Now, I want to say the old version ranges from like $16 to $19. This version right now, not on sale, is at, I believe, $21 or $22, so still priced very well. I have a review coming out on this, and this one was $20. On the bottom side, you can see the part number. On the top side, they have Klein Tools. Just wanted to bring you guys this real quick video, show you guys what Klein just released. I think it's a great addition. I think a lot of people are really going to enjoy the added magnetism for bits that actually passes the magnetism on, which is really cool. So very affordable, good quality product, made in Taiwan. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, please, once again, feel free to drop a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer it for you guys. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up. I will have this link down in the description for you guys. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.